Hello guys, this will be a quick video about an helmet lock for my motorcycle. Most of the time I let my helmet on my seat when I stop at the restaurant or any place. Really, I always let my helmet in my seat, but I always have the doubt that if someone take it, and it's not for how much I will lose. Of course, I would hate to lose an helmet, but I'm more thinking of how do I come back home if I don't have an helmet, because here it's mandatory to have an helmet on when you're riding. You cannot ride without an helmet. So I always have in the back of my mind, what if I get stolen, my helmet gets stolen? I'm screwed if it's a Saturday and all the stores are closed, or if I'm in a deep area where there's no stores where I can buy another helmet. I will have to ride without an helmet and praying that I don't get into an accident and that I don't run into a cop, because I would be screwed. So today I will install an helmet lock on my crash bar, or the crash bar of my Harley. It's supposed to fit right here. I will maybe have to squeeze my clutch cable a bit. And I bought it chrome. It's not a really expensive lock. I believe I pay like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, something like that on Amazon. There are not even instruction or nothing in the box. I just have two keys and the lock itself. I got a friend who have one like this. It seems a good quality, but there's nothing better than test it yourself. Okay, I just want to mention before starting the installation, I don't know if you can see, but the screws or the bolt are kind of anti-thief. Won't go anywhere. I will keep an eye on it, but it's pretty tight. Don't know if you can see. I will try to move the camera here so you can see the gap, but there's pretty much no gap here. And on the other hand, either just a little gap at the bottom here, but it's more like this part is not perfectly round, but that won't go anywhere. So now I need a helmet to try it on. So I will try with this one. First open it. The other side. Go, pretty easy to open. Close it, turn back the key. It's locked. Doesn't even touch the engine. So. Now my helmet is locked. Well, let's look from the front. I know my bike is dirty, need to wash it. Doesn't look too bad from between the fork here. Actually, if no one look at it or looked at this specific location on the bike, it's pretty hard to see the lock if there's no helmet on it. As you can see, my helmet's not touching the engine, so even if the engine is hot, my helmet won't get damaged because it's touching it. And if I want to release it, need to be careful because just the weight of the helmet open the latch here. So I will put my knee so it doesn't fall, but as you can see, it opened really easily. So even if you have only one end, it's really easy to remove your helmet from there. And after that, close the latch, turn the key, latch is locked. and I made sure before that my fork was not touching it. So yeah, I'm happy that I finally have a lock for my helmet. I won't let my helmet on the seat of my bike anymore. So I will have the peace of mind when I will go into a restaurant that when I come back, my helmet will still be there and I will be able to go back home. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.